I'm reviewing the Milwaukee drill. I had this about 21 days now, and it worked fine, no problems. And it has a really good shock on it. Though this part here is plastic, but it's alright. It has a good grip, 1/2 inch, and it works great, my opinion. And it feels good on your hand. Fits really good. Except for one thing that I like to point out that I didn't like, which is this. Watch. See that? It plays quite a bit, both ways, back and forth, and from side to side. Let's see if I can get it up close. See that there? It's pretty loose. It's not very good. I don't like it. So I thought maybe it was the battery. So I replaced the battery. Let me show you. This is not the battery. This is also a brand new battery. Let's watch. So it's a little loose. I'm a little disappointed in that. But now I know why it's a cheap drill, so. So I was gonna give him 5 stars, but after seeing this, I think I'm only gonna give him 3 stars. I was gonna do 2.5, but you can't do 2.5. So I guess I'm gonna have to give him 3 stars. I do have these other 2 Milwaukee tools. This one over here is an air pump. And it works really, really good. I will highly recommend this if you're in the market for one of these. I'm not reviewing this one right now. That's going to have to be another day. But this one here works really good. I already used it a few times. And the battery is in there. Stays better than the drill. And this one here is the haze trimmer. I have this about 5 years now. And it's been working great ever since. I have an HD 9.0 battery on it. It's a little loose, not much. I think they did a pretty good job on this one. And it's been working great, like I said, for over 5 years now. I haven't had any problems with it. So if you're in the market for one of these, I also would highly recommend this one and this one. This one, not so much. I think it's poorly made. This part. The rest of it is good. Has, like I say, has plenty of power and it works just fine. But just this, to me, that's not good. I hope this helps. Thanks.
Disappointing. Bought new in May of 2025.